Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be playing Team Deathmatch. Okay, match starting in... Oh, it's started.
The blue team has scored for the
Okay
first
guys, let's do
time.
this.
Team match. Let's go.
Oh no.
Cover me.
Okay, one kill.
Dead.
2 kills. Okay,
Nice
3
shot.
kills.
Reloading. Expired.
Okay, for elimination. Oh my god, oh, I died. Sorry guys, my phone's lag. Because my phone is not that good. Okay, let's do this. Attack guys, attack. Elimination. Okay guys, my phone's lagging right now.
No mercy.
Let's rush. Oh my god, sorry. I died. 6 kills. Keep practicing to be better every day.
Marked a location. Blue team.
Boy, took your teammate, bro. Traitor.
Reloading. Down. Cover me.
Oh, bro. I didn't see him. Because I'm lagging. Trying to get better every day.
No mercy. Reloading.
Oh my god, my life is so lagging right now.